Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Paul from Paul's Projects, and today I'm going to show you guys how to fix that annoying end screen problem. Stay tuned. All right, if this is your first time to Paul's Projects and you like DIY and technology, hit that subscribe button, the bell icon, and if you like the video at the end of it, please hit that like button. That would be awesome. Also, if you have any other scenarios that you've been in where your end screen wasn't working and it isn't one of these issues, then leave a comment down below so people coming to this video to get help will have that extra help that they need. But this should fix most, if not all, of the issues that you're having with the end screen. All right, so there are two issues typically that are going on with the end screen, and that is one, you can't fit an annotation in there, and two, you can't even fit a video in there. Okay, it's just a screen, a fuzzy screen. Okay, I'm going to give you both options to try and fix these things. It should work. All right, so you have either a screen like this, or you can see your video, but you can't add annotations. The first issue that you should maybe look at first is the fact that you need to have, one sec here, 4,000 watch time minutes and 1,000 subscribers before you can do that. All right, so if you don't fit that criteria for YouTube, then you're not going to be able to add any links to your end screen video. If you do fit that and you're trying to add an annotation, you're going to need to add a video first, like your best viewed video or whatever. The way you do that, if you don't know, is just go up here, excuse me one sec, just go up to the upload here, playlist, excuse me, and then add a video. That's simple. Okay, then you can add your annotations if you fit the criteria. The one problem that I have been having is I get to this screen and immediately I see this snowy screen. And it took me a while to figure this out, and I looked everywhere on YouTube to try and figure out what the heck was going on. Nobody had the answer for this. Nobody. All right, so I couldn't have been the only one. That's why I'm doing this video. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do, and it's a little more destructive, no, it's not a little more, it's a lot more destructive than the best solution, and I'm gonna show you that at the end of the video here. The first solution, like I said, is a little more destructive, but you could actually use this at the end if my solution doesn't work, okay? First, you're gonna go down to settings, go up to the three dots on the top of the page that are right here, and then go down to settings. Then you're going to go down to advanced, then to reset and clean up. Now, try cleaning up your cookies first with the clean up your computer tab there. If that doesn't work, if my scenario didn't work first, and if that doesn't work, then you're going to have to reset your default on your Google Chrome. Okay, so one of those should work for the issue of not being able to put up a video on there. Now I'm going to show you my solution. First, again, we're going to go up to those three dots up at the top here. We're going to go to more tools this time. We're going to click on that. We're going to go to extensions. And once you're in extensions, you're going to notice that there's a bunch of things turned on here. If you have ad blocker, this is your problem. Turn off ad blocker, then go back to your YouTube and click on recycle or reset at the top of the left-hand screen. Now my video will come up and I'll be able to add screens to it. So I'll just click on this and I'll add an end screen, create, and voila, there you go. There's your issue. So first, try and start with, if you can't add annotations, again, make sure you have the criteria met for YouTube. If that doesn't work, add your video first and then add your annotation. Okay, you can't add your annotation first. Second scenario, if you can't add a video at all, or you get that white snowy screen, try the first scenario the scenario that I just showed you, and then you can go try and clean up your cookies. And if that doesn't work, you're gonna have to reset your default on your Chrome. All right, so that's it. That's it, guys. That's all you need. If there's any other issues that you have, leave a comment down below. I will do my best to help you out. But as I asked you guys before, if you've had any issues with this, leave comments down below so people can take a look on how you fix those issues. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that like button if it helped you. We'll see you next time on Paul's Projects.